Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 2 trades. I only did 2 trades today because I've been very busy taking care of some things around the house. But anyhow, I saw 2 trade setups that looked really good. One was the oil and the other one was the Euro CAD. Today's date is August the 20th and I'm using my new FX trigger system. Keep in mind, if you pick up the FX trigger system, I'll show you how you can get your hands on this trading simulator for the MT4 platform. Remember, it only works on MT4, not MT5. And it allows you to put in dozens and dozens of trades over the weekend when the market is closed. It allows you to practice. And in 1 or 2 weekends, you can do the equivalent of, let's say, 1 year's worth of trading. And 1 year's worth of trading will certainly speed up your learning curve. This is why it's very important that you get your hands on this trading simulator. Unless you're in no hurry to learn how to trade the Forex markets. And by the way, it's not just Forex markets. It's futures, anything that your MT4 platform offers you to trade. You can put in many trades, you can do hedging, you can do just about anything you can think of. It's packed and loaded with tons of features, does come with a 25 page ebook, and it is totally free, and I'll show you how you can get your hands on it. So keep that in mind. And also, before we get into these 2 trades, I would like to inform you that all trading systems will work less than 50% of the time. And that includes all my trigger systems. Now, it took me 8 years and over 700 trading systems to learn that. To get that up to 80 or 90% success rate, you'll have to learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. You will also have to learn trade management and money management. To be successful in trading, all you need is a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, and a lot of education. I provide the education. You must buy this education and then do the homework, or you will fail at trading. I highly suggest putting in more than 1 trade at a time, as no one knows which pair will move the greatest number of pips. This is why I place 3 or more trades at a time. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will encourage me to do more of these videos. If you leave your name and email address, I will put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So, first thing that I notice from the time I get up in the morning, this is London, and this is the time I get up at 6 a.m. as you can see down at the bottom. GCI platform is based on Eastern Standard Time. I get up, and all I did was measure down to the goal line, and that's like 50 pips. So if I just knew that if I got a sell signal, I was going to trade it back at least to the goal line and grab some pips. And I've seen it many times break through the goal line and keep going down. Once you learn all of these tips and tricks, and there are many ways to trade, you will become a much better trader. So, Euro CAD, we're going to drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Exactly what I said. The sell signal was from way back here, but I was sleeping, and I decided to take the trade. My initial stop was 20 pips, and then as it was going down, I tightened it up right there. You can see the stop. Did take the trade at this cursor. Now, it did go against me 7 pips, and I didn't quite see it over here, or else I would have closed it out with 70 pips approximately or more. But I finally decided to close out the trade at this point, which was 48 pips, and 48 pips on the EuroCAD paid $3,732. Now I did have a few distractions around the house, and that's what happens. And I'm sure if you have partner and kids and whatnot, dogs and cats, who knows, you'll have distractions too. But anyhow, I managed to get in 2 trades. This crude oil looked too good not to take. It was just screaming it's going to go down, and it did qualify for a great way to trade, and I knew I was going to grab some pips. Unfortunately, I didn't see it at this point, and so it had to do another cycle, and I still ended up, because I know how the market moves. For me, entry would be around here or around this zone area. But I did take the trade. Let's see where I got in at. Right here. It did go against me 13, and at another point it did go against me 19 pips. Not the end of the world. As I said, I should have closed out over here with 85 pips or so, but I didn't see it in time. But when I did see it, I decided to close it out with 65 pips, and 65 pips on the crude oil paid $6,500. And I love trading both the crude oil and the gold because it pumps out more pips than like the pound pairs. And you just run a check and you'll see exactly what I mean. So another great day of trading to end the week on this Friday. I got over my 100 pips. I ended up with 113 pips. And those 113 pips paid $10,232. So if your system is not producing like my FX Trigger, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video. You'll see this write-up. FX Trigger system. Do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. If you don't learn this, you're never going to succeed. My system has well over 4 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now I included 5 MT4 templates, 12 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now I also included a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. And the more education you get, the better of a trader you will become. So there's a lot of ways to trade, and that's why there's 43 training videos. My number 1 way is a great way to trade, and the 43rd video, it is called How to Backtest Using the Trading Simulator. It's about 50 minutes long, packed with a lot of tips and tricks on how to improve your trading. Highly recommend you get this trading simulator. Now there's too much to read to go through here, short of time. Just put the video on pause, read everything here. If you have any questions at all, quite simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here. Now I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link and we will have Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I don't know how long it'll last, probably 45 minutes, depending on how many questions you have. And I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. And of course, I'll do all of that with no obligation to you. Now, if you click on this link right here, you'll see 34 screenshots of all the trigger systems I've been building over the years. So that just about wraps up this video, and I'll repeat it one more time. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, until the next trading day and video, happy trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.